Hi, I'm Denice Gierach of the Gierach Law Firm. We offer an outsourced general counsel service for many of our manufacturing clients. As part of this service, we act as if we're your in-house general counsel. So on a day-to-day basis, we know of what's going on in your office or your company. Several different reasons people will approach me and say, I need your services. And one of them is they want to grow, but they don't know how to grow. Part of what may impede them from growing is they do not have an adequate legal platform. They don't know what they have, so they don't know what they have to improve. This is where we come in. We do a risk analysis and we will correct the things that need to be corrected, work with your teams so that we can provide that legal platform and allow you to focus on growth. Now, lest you think we're only attorneys, our background is in working inside manufacturing plants in the past and managing many of these aspects. We've also worked with clients in growing their business and leading them to the point where perhaps down the road they want to do an exit strategy. So that's the second reason that people will come to us. They can't find a way of getting themselves to exit their business, and they don't know the reasons why. So in exiting a business, any person that works in that field will tell you you need a 3 to 5 year period of time to improve your balance sheet, to improve your income statement, to improve your processes, to build in the sustainability of adding the right team and putting the right team together so that when you sell, you are not just buying yourself another employment position working for the new company. So as part of this, we will build that legal platform and we will see what issues may turn up that need to be dealt with so that you have the proper team in place. And so you can improve your results from a financial standpoint. Many of our people are also CPAs and have master's degrees in management. So this is right up their alley in trying to create a really successful exit strategy for you. We also examine the reasons that you might want to get out and what's your time frame for doing it. Many times if we have family businesses, we're also looking at whether or not the children are involved in this and whether they can carry the weight, the load that you as the family business owner have taken all of these years. So we invite you to please give us a call at the number below and contact us, and we'd be happy to provide you with further information so that you can learn more about our services and how we can help you either grow or provide the right exit strategy for you. Thanks, I'll look forward to your call.